Hey, so if you're someone looking to lower your monthly payment on your mortgage and you're wondering, how do I do this? What's the best way of doing it? But for you specifically, something happened in your occupation and you don't want to have to re-verify your income for whatever reason, or something has happened to your credit where maybe you either added a lot more debt, or student loans came in full, maybe you missed some payments and your credit went down, or some other reason why your credit went down, or some other reason why you don't think you can qualify to do a refinance. Which I have been there, because when I bought my house, I was working, then went to be self-employed in this lovely role I'm in now, but I didn't believe I could qualify. Honestly, best thing to do is just pick up the phone and call someone like me, not any mortgage broker or any lender. And not to knock anyone else down, but what a lot of companies teach, and when I joined companies, this is what they had taught me, is that they'll have you complete an application online, and then they'll immediately do a hard inquiry on your credit just to tell you you're not qualified. I don't even like when credit card companies do that to me. We don't do that. So I operate in California, Colorado, Texas, Florida, and Michigan. And I have other loan officers that work for me as well that are in those states as well. One of the things I encourage and what I do is I just like to have a conversation where I shut up and I just listen to what your goals are, what your situation is, and I ask you questions that help me figure out what might be the best option for you. Then I have you complete an application online, because it's going to paint a picture of your situation so that I can then show you options directly with the situation you painted in a technological format. And I can price it out with lots of different lenders. That way I can see what's going to be the best option for you, all without pulling your credit. Now, what I like to do at that point is I go over the options with you, and I either let you know, hey, based on what you said, we can do a loan where you don't have to re-verify your credit. We don't have to re-verify your income. We may have to do a soft pull on your credit just to see what interest rate you can get, but you don't qualify off of that. The nice thing about those kind of loans is they're FHA Streamline, so you have to have a current FHA loan, or VA IRRRLs is what we call it. So you have to have a current VA loan. But there's a lot of ways that we can help you in that situation. If you have a conventional loan and you're wondering, maybe is there a way to do that, I would still have a talk with me, because I recently had someone who had a jumbo loan. It was over the conforming loan limits. Something happened to his credit, went way down. He really wanted to refinance because he was at 7%. I took a look. We were able to, with one of our tools, get his credit up 80 points in a 2-week period. And it was pretty simple. And we got him down to, I think it was like 6.125, but it saved him like a crazy amount. And so a lot of this stuff, it's just have a conversation first. Let's go over options together, and then let's talk about next steps together. And if they work for you, that's when we can talk about, which most of the time it would just be a soft pull on your credit until we finalize numbers and figure out what works best for you. We're really transparent in the mortgage process. I end up paying and fronting all the money for inquiries on credit. So I don't like to do it unless if you feel comfortable and confident in the path we're going to take, and there's going to be a lot of disclosures that you're going to get that's either going to tell you, no, I shouldn't move forward, or yes, I should. So why am I hitting your credit if it's not something you're interested in? So love to have a conversation with you. Feel free to reach out to me, or you can go to our website, purposehomelending.com, click find a mortgage pro, and pick someone else in our company who might be more local to you. But I'd be happy to help either way, and look forward to talking to you soon.